Welcome to a guided meditation perfect for while you're taking a shower. Take a moment to get the water temperature just right. Take 3 deep breaths. Relax your shoulders. Maybe take a couple of shoulder circles. Shake out any tension lingering in your body. Take 3 more deep breaths. Let your breath fall into a natural, deep rhythm. Visualize the water washing away all of your worries. Feel it taking away all the stress and tension in your body. With each and every stream of water, you feel lighter, more yourself. Imagine all these worries and all the tension going down the drain. They are being carried away along with the water. These aren't yours to own anymore. Continue visualizing the water washing off and carrying away anything that has been burdening you. When you feel ready, turn off the water. Step out of the shower and into your power. You are strong. You are capable, and you've got this. If you liked this video and want to help us out, please share it or give it a thumbs up. If you have a question or an idea for a future video, let us know in the comments. If you want even more self-care resources like this meditation, consider subscribing to our channel or visit our website at www.azulita.org, where we have teaching and classroom resources. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, take good care of yourself.